Hello, I have another unboxing for you. You have to bear with me today, it's a big box. I have the Sentey Crimson Pro mechanical keyboard. Now, I love a good mechanical keyboard, so I'm really anxious to get this open and start using it, actually. Here's the box here. And the first thing you'll notice about this box is it's really heavy. I mean, for a keyboard, I'm amazed. I mean, this thing's got to be like 10 pounds. But on the back here, we have some basic information for you. It has Cherry MX black switches, and they are red LED backlit keys. Obviously, you can see it comes with a palm rest, which I'll show you in a second. But what makes this special is it comes with its own carrying case, which I think is just excellent, really. How many keyboards have you seen that come with their own carrying case? I don't think I have. But let me try and get this open for you here, carefully. Now, this is a double box. The top box is more of a, just a thin cardboard layer. And then we have a nice thick box inside, which is more of a presentation style box. We have the Sentey logo over here, and then we have a little pull tab, which we like so. And then we find the case. And that's it in this box here. Now this is a double zippered case. We have two nice handles on it, rubber reinforced handles. Nylon, of course, obviously. Now it unzips all the way around nicely. So you have full access to it and everything that's in it. Now let's try and see if I can get everything in here. Alright, on the top we have a mesh pocket. Actually, it's a double mesh pocket. There's a little pocket here too. See a little pocket we have going here. Now we have some stuff up in here. We have a small little bag here. Let's check that out in a second. But then we have the rest. This is your wrist rest. Got the Sentey logo and a little bit of pattern on there. Obviously it clicks in, and we have rubber feet on it as well. But let's see what all this extra stuff is here. Slide this out of the way real quick. Okay, so we have a door hanger. Not now, I'm gaming. And then the other side it says it's safe. It's safe to come in your room. We have our poster here, which is pretty big. It's not going to fit in the frame here. But it says, take your game to the extreme. Sentey logo, all that stuff. Neat little poster, right? We have a black folder with our documentation in it here. Opens up like so. See if I get everything out here. Yep, everything's out. Okay, we have the Crimson Pro multi-language user guide. Pretty thick guide there. We have driver software disk. We have a Sentey VIP card, which is sentey.com/VIP Sentey. We have a couple nice little stickers there. Stick them wherever you want to. We have a warranty, and then we have a nice product catalog to see what else Sentey offers. In our little bag here, we have, these are keycaps. Keycaps and a key puller. It's only 4 keycaps. You put them over your WASD for gaming, so you know which ones. Kind of a nice idea, I guess. But then there's a key puller too, which always comes in handy. I like them for cleaning my keyboards. Pull all the keys off. But here is the keyboard. Let's make some room here. All right, we have, whoa, big cable all wrapped up here. Thick, nice thick, stiff, braided cable, which ends over in, we have 2 audio jacks, one for microphone and one for, regular audio. And then we have a gold-plated USB connector on the end. Here is the keyboard. We'll start over here. We have LED identifiers for numlock, caps lock, and a G, which is for the gaming mode. We have a standard keypad going on over here, which these are also double duty for setting brightness. As you can see there, little brightness up and down. Then we have our standard cursor keys, regular set. Then we have special function keys at the top. More function keys over here. These are profile function keys is what they are actually, I'm sorry. Then we have multimedia keys across the top, F1 through F6. We have escape. And here is the keyboard. As I said, they're MX black, so they are kind of clicky, if you like that stuff. Personally, I do. We have the Sentey logo over here on the space bar. Now this is, like I said, a red LED backlit, which I can't show you right now. It's not plugged in, but you'll see in the pictures in the review. Show you what it looks like. But I have another keyboard that's red, backlit with the black, which very nice contrast. It looks very nice, I think. Here's the back here. We have our feet. We'll bring it up at an angle. We have some rubber feet here. ID label, of course. And then here we have the clips for... Oops, and I dropped it. Oops. For the wrist rest, they clip in like so. And it does kind of adjustable a little bit there. It depends on how even your desk is, uneven your desk is. So that is it. This is the Sentey Crimson Pro mechanical keyboard, Cherry MX Black with red LED backlighting. Let me start using it and I will let you know how it is. Oh, one last thing I forgot, sorry. Up on the top here, above the indicators, you will find 2 USB ports, and then there's the audio that goes with, that works in conjunction with the audio connectors that I showed you. But yes, it's a USB hub and audio. You can plug your headphones and all that in right there. Thanks.